Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
So that's the first. The second thing is you must understand, Umtomyama. I've said this before. The enemy of black is not white. The enemy of black is black. When you are black, your own black brothers will pull you down. And it's because the psychology of where we come from, Jita. Think about this thing.
Sanibona, ngithi ngingena ku TikTok ngisithela phekwe video esazisa ukuthi uFloyd akaseyona uSecretary General omkhonto wesizwe party. Ngabona neletha. Ngase ngithi cha angaqale ngelikhipha lodaba ngiyofuna. Ngase ngingena kwi-official page yomkhonto wesizwe party lapha ku-X eyaziwa ngeTwitter. Sizokhuluma ke ngalolu daba. Nansi video engiyibonile.
Bathi ziyakhala ku-Karl Marx of Mahonisi, ziyakhala ku-Frantz Fanon of Giyani, ziyakhala ku-Vladimir Lenin of Limpopo. Ngithi mina bathi uZuma uvele wathatha ibhuluku likaFloyd waligqolisa ngomoya. Bathi sikhuluma nje ibhuluku ligqola umoya, uFloyd uhambe waya ku-interview ye-SABC tolo, wathi nakabuya ku-interview ye-SABC uthola i-ofisi likhiwe abantu abekho. Bathi ufaka isikhiye uFloyd uthola ukuthi amalokho atshintshiwe. Bathi uFloyd wazibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani, kwafika i-security lafike lamtshela ukuthi ebhuti mina bangishiyele na i-letter for wena, bathi it's an appreciation letter and they are relieving you from your responsibilities. Batshintshe namalokho e-ofisi njenyana into engiyixela uthatha isishopha sakho uphume ngegate. uFloyd sesikhathi uceda ukudisa i-EFF to please ubaba. Phela ngini bathi bekabona ukuthi hayi vele uyahamba. And ubaba basibamtshelile ukuthi hey phela lo Floyd Ndini lo ukuthathela amandla yonke into seyiphethwe uye lapha kumkhonto. Asazi kwenzakalani. Ilethe ifundeka kanje. Ithi yona Office of the President. Date 29 May 2025. Dear Comrade Floyd Nyiko Shivambu. Subject appreciation letter. But this letter serves to express my heartfelt appreciation for the outstanding and priceless revolutionary work you have done for Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. Owing to the need of using our limited and available human capital efficiently, I, Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma, as president of Umkhonto Wesizwe Party, in bracket MKP, have decided to relieve you from the position of Secretary General of the party. You will remain an ordinary member of the MK party until further deployment is recommended by myself. I wish you well in the future endeavor. Yours sincerely, wasayina Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma, President Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. Ziyakhala Karl Marx of Mahonisi, ziyakhala laphana ku Vladimir Lenin of Giyani, ziyakhala laphana ku Frantz Fanon of Limpopo. Ngithi mina hey awubakwaze mkhonto nanithi nihlakaza umkhonto nenzani, nizama ukuhlakaza umkhonto bekani manje nigijima inkantolo nanithi kuyoba njani.
Izolo ngithe uma ngenza ivideo ngathi amalunga e-EFF athandazela ukuwa kaFloyd. Angazi mina ukuthi singabantu abanjani, angisho ukuthi mina akufanelanga kodwa nje bathandazela ukuwa kaFloyd. Kube kuya ngabo nje ngabe kuvela izinto ngempela ezizothi uFloyd usexoshiwe kumkhonto wesizwe party. Uyibonile iletha, sikho nesidingo sokuthi le letha ngiyifake la njoba nawe usuyibonile, kodwa umkhonto wesizwe party uphawulile ngalolu daba. Iyosana zathi senza ukuthi ngenze le video ngoba bekufuna ngiqale ngithole ukuthi utheni nomkhonto wesizwe party, ngoba le lethi iphuma izolo, beyicirculate izolo nje impela abantu bayibona izolo. So ngifisa ke ukucover ke into eshiwo i-MK party mayelana nalolu daba. Kodwa ngaphambi singene nje ku-MK party, is it a coincidence now ukuthi kufike khuluma u-breakdown athi uFloyd uzophuma lapha kungena u-SG omusha? Sithi sanake lokho kuvala vele umama uMary Party akhulume kanje yena.
We want to put it very clear that Floyd must go. We don't care where he's going to, whether he's going back to the EFF, whether he's going home. It's none of our business. So we are just saying the Floyd must go. And
lezi nkulumo ezivela ku-EFF zikhombisa ukujula kwenzondo abanayo ngoFloyd. Ibhlungu ke lento mayenzeka phakathi kwethu, kodwa ke impilo esiphilayo yokuthi thina njengabantu abamnyama asithandani futhi thina sifiselana sengathi omunye angafeyila. Ngiye ngithi kwesinye isikhathi Shuthi abathakathi asinabo. Abathakathi bahluleka ukuthakatha abelungu ngesikhathi apartheid. Hayi, angizwa kahle lento le eyenzekayo. Asifunde naye-ke udaba olubhalwe umkhonto wesizwe party ku-official page yabo yaku-X. Bathi-ke i-fake news. Kuneletha eseculator ku-WhatsApp ethi MKSG uFloyd Shivambu uxoshiwe. MK Party iyaziqhelelanisa naleyo letha evela kube sengathi ivela kuPresident Jacob Zuma. Ibhekiswe kuFloyd Shivambu OSG. Kodwa-ke uFloyd Shivambu usenguSecretary General womkhonto wesizwe party. Nakho kokushiwo umkhonto wesizwe party ukuthi uFloyd Shivambu usenguSecretary General womkhonto wesizwe party. Amalungu omkhonto wesizwe party asho kanje wona. Amalungu omkhonto wesizwe party-ke asho kanje mayebona uFloyd ngoba akhombisa ukumjabulela-ke wona, especially ama-ground forces. Kulamaviki aphelile uFloyd Shivambu sichazelile wathi hayi, ayikho inkinga kumkhonto wesizwe party. Inkinga ilapha kulabantu laba abafuna ikhundla, yingakho sibona kunje. So ingakho-ke ngithi angiyilethe le nkulumo epheleleyo, wazi ukuthi kunelethe be-circulator ithi uFloyd Shivambu akaseyona ilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party, useyilunga nje ordinary member kodwa akaseyona uSecretary General. Ngase ngikulethela imessage ebhalwe abomkhonto wesizwe party abathi cha abakwazi lokho, bona abakwazi ukuthi uFloyd u-SG womkhonto wesizwe party. Kanti ngibone nansi iposter. Ngaphambi ngifaka iposter yeinhlelo ezizayo. Kunevideo engifisa ukudlula kuyo, ngicela uzwe la.
Apartheid didn't lose. Apartheid won.
Yeah.
Apartheid didn't lose. Not only did it win, it's still winning. The project of apartheid was not only about the exploitation of the many for the few. It wasn't just about making black people believe they were inferior. The more insidious project in apartheid, its most successful outcome, and I use the word successful for a lack of a better one, so don't get touched with that, is that apartheid was there to convince black people that none amongst them was worth anything. Kungako today, isitha somuntu omnyama, umuntu omnyama. Umuntu ozodiliza inkampani yomuntu omnyama, umuntu omnyama. Umuntu ozokuframe, umuntu omnyama. Umuntu ozokufaka ejele ngenzondo, umuntu omnyama. Umuntu ozokubamba ngenhliziyo athi sobona ukuthi uyophele laphi.
Sure.
Ngumuntu omnyama. To this day.
Ngifaka le video kaPenwell noVusthembe kwayo ngoba igcizelela lento ebengisho ukuthi inzondo amalunga eFF awanayo ngoFloyd athandazela usuku lazo wangalo. Mhlawumbe ngelinye ilanga uNkulunkulu uyayiphendula imithandazo yabo mangabe uNkulunkulu ngempela. Kodwa ayikho into yojabulisa amalunga eFF njengokubona uFloyd ewile. Okubhlungu kuyobe kuumuntu wakubo omnyama, kodwa nje lokho kuyobajabulisa. Lokho kukhombisa khona ukuthi ngendlela thina esiphila ngayo asifiselana okuhle njengabantu abamnyama. Angazi mina ukuthi kungani singazonda abelungu emveni kwento ezingaka abazenza. Kodwa inzondo esinayo kubantu abamnyama engaphezulu kokwenza abelungu babulala izihlobo zabantu abamnyama, babulala imindeni abantu abamnyama, ngisho impilo esiyiphilayo. Kodwa inzondo ebhekiswe kubo ayinjengoba kunenzondo esuka kumalungu e-EFF ibheke ku-Floyd Shivambu. Ungafunga kukhona into ayenza kubo, angazi yini, kodwa nje bengithi nje angilethe le video la kuwe. Umkhonto weSizwe Party wazisa amalunga wayo ukuthi ngomhla ka-15 kuJuni 2025 ngo-10 kwaCimba eWard 1 uFloyd Shivambu la ezobe khona, ezobe ne-keynote address khona, lapho kuyobe ku-activate khona i-Youth Day, kuyobe kulonshwa ngathi izolonshwa ngeyi-16 kodwa la kuyobe ku-activate i-Youth Month, kodwa nje umkhonto weSizwe Youth League izolonshwa ngeyi-16 June ngeholide. Bayamenywa abantu ukuthi abaphephume ngobuningi bawo, beye kulo mhlangano bafike bezwe ukuthi uzobe ethini uFloyd ngalelo suku. Izona inhlelo ezikhona lezi evela kumkhonto weSizwe Party. Ngizoqhubeka-ke nokunye, kodwa kwamanje bengithi angilethe lokhu manje nje kuseni, ngithi angikulethele nazi indaba uzithole esashiso ukuthi uFloyd Shivambu kunelethe ephumile yasekhululeka yathi akaseyena uSecretary General. Umkhonto weSizwe Party cha ukuphikile lokho, wathi wona ngokwazi kwawo uFloyd Shivambu useyilunga lomkhonto weSizwe Party, akukho lethe ephume ofisini lika president. Kumalunga we-EFF abesejabulile, wayonke injabulo yabo, mhlawumbe isifiso sabo sizokwenzeka. Angikho against i-EFF, kodwa ngikhuluma i-reality, ngikhuluma iqiniso lenzakalayo, nabo abalaziyo nabo abalibonayo. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ushare, ulike. Ungasupporta ngokujoyina i-membership yale channel. Mina nawe bese sidibana kwi-video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.